Hello and welcome to another video. I'm sure that you have thought of investing before, but you never did it. Maybe because you never understood it. Investing is complicated, but not as much as most people think of it. So in this video, let's try to break down investment, explain it in simple words, and find out how you can start doing it as well. So no matter what's your background, you will have an idea on how to start investing right after watching this video. The common way of making money is to get paid based on the numbers of hours you work. It's a good way to make money, but the only problem with that is that it highly depends on time, which is limited. And that means it's impossible to get rich with that way of earning money. Let's say you are paid $20 per hour, $160 per day if you work 8 hours a day, $3,520 per month, and $42,240 a year. Now, in order to make $1 million, you have to work for almost 24 years without wasting a single dollar out of it, which is unreal. Even if you manage to do that somehow, you will be an old man by that time. Of course, you can make a lot of money out of it, but you definitely cannot become financially free, no matter how hard you work. Another problem with that is that if something happens to you and you stop working, you stop making money. So you want to find an alternative way of making money, like letting your money work for you. And that's what investment is all about. Taking $1 and transforming it into a $2. Sounds a little illogical, but it's possible. And that's the only way to achieve the financial freedom. So let's jump in. There are 4 main types of investments out there. The first one is paper assets. If you have never heard of it before, you're probably thinking of papers, but it has nothing to do with that. Paper assets are things such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and so on. I will discuss each of them separately in the future videos, so make sure you're subscribed. The second type of investments are commodities, such as gold or silver. The price of gold keeps increasing every day, so if you buy a gold today, you can certainly sell it for a higher price tomorrow. Maybe not tomorrow, but later on in the future. The third one is real estate. That includes houses, apartments, hotels, and the list goes on. And the last one is business. Starting up a business is the best investment you can make, especially when you don't have a lot of money, because there are a lot of businesses that you can start without really having a big capital, especially online businesses. Now, there are 2 ways you can make money by investing. The first way is you buy a stock for $1, for example, and then you sell it for $2, and the difference is the profit you make, which is called capital gain. The second one is passive income, which I've explained in previous videos, so check out the description for that. But in short, it's a constant flow of money to your bank account. For example, you build up a business and every month it makes a profit of $10,000. In my opinion, it's more important to focus on passive income because once you build up the system, it keeps paying back for a long period. The key principle in investment is to start as early as possible because it also takes time. Warren Buffett, for example, who's the greatest investor of all time, started when he was still a teenager. But in order to invest, you need money, and that's why you should start saving first. At least 20% of your monthly income must go directly into your saving account. For a lot of people, it might seem difficult to do that because most people live month to month. No matter how small is your monthly income, you should make sure that 20% of it is saved. If you're not going to do that, you will never be able to become financially free. And you will have to put all your trust on politicians who promise to bring back jobs to the country when in reality they don't give a damn about you. So find ways to decrease your expenses if necessary. In fact, I will be making a video on some creative ways to save money soon. Keep in mind that investment is a long period process. It takes 5, 10, 15 years, but it really pays off back when you do it correctly. So don't expect to become a multi-millionaire in a couple of years, although that's possible. Anyways, that's about it for today, guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and let me know if you guys want more videos about investing. Subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.